Hi there, it's Lydia with you again, and today I would like to share with you my new discovery for the designers. If sometimes you are searching for any kind of screen references, such as about, contacts, dashboard, quiz and poll or any other may exist, I have the link for you to check. It is a website with the best examples of product design, the biggest collection of design references from real-life products. This tool helps product designers easily find references from the best websites and applications. With a massive design library and carefully tagged elements, it's the easiest way to find any design pattern or UI element. This website contains around 25,000 websites and more than 23,000 of iOS screens. It includes studies of companies like Google, Instagram, Pinterest, Shopify, and many more. Go on to check yourself the capacity of this tool. And the name of this tool is Refero.design. For more design and Figma tips, go on my account.